Merhaba YouTube. Herkese merhaba. Bu haftada Epic Game yapacağını yaptı ve Fallout New Vegas'ı ücretsiz yaptı. Hem de Ultimate Edition. Bugüne kadarki bütün genişletmeler de içinde. Yeni oyunlarla ilgili bir video çekmek istiyorum ama fiyatlar malum. Alan Wake 2'ye oldukça yükseldim. Belki bir yerlerden kod falan gelir de oynarız. Bu haftalık da bu kadar. Görüşmek üzere.
That's the right idea. Look down the sight. Try crouching down and staying. Nice shot. Well, that's a start. But I don't reckon you came to me to learn to fight sarsaparilla bottles. Tell you what, I gotta go chase geckos away from our water supply anyway. Darn critters are attracted to it. Why don't you come along? Follow me. Everything all right? Well, let's just finish this first, all right? Hear that up on the ridge behind me there? We got some geckos to clear out. Bunch of little monsters is what they are. Seems like Doc Mitchell treats more gecko bites than anything else. Let's see if we can get a little closer. If we move quietly, we can get the jump on them. More likely to hit something vital that way. Okay, you're on. Go give him hell. See? You're getting the hang of it. There's 2 more wells that still need clearing. You want, you can come along. It'd be worth a few caps to me. Shouldn't take more than a couple minutes, especially with 2 of us. Come with me. Ah, hell's bells. There's not a day passes by I don't tell people not to come here by themselves. Some people, your word just isn't good enough for them. Then this happens. Well, it's a part of life out here. Best to accept it. But you did what you promised, staying out here with me. One more thing I wanted to show you. Thought I might teach you about living off the land and making... All right, then. We'll need a couple ingredients to get started. Let me think now. Bring those on back to me, and we'll get cooking.